Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset your Turtle Beach Stealth Ultra controller. First, we will use the system menu to perform a factory reset. Start by turning on the controller. To do this, press and hold the X button until the controller powers on. Once it is on, press the plus button to open the main menu. You will now see different options on the screen. Use the D-pad to move through the menu and find the system option. When you reach System, press the A button to select it. Inside this menu, look for Reset to Defaults. Select it and then press A again to confirm. This will restore the controller to its original factory settings. Now, let's move to the second method, which is a physical hard reset. Turn the controller around and locate the small pinhole on the back. Inside this pinhole, there is a red button. If your fingers cannot reach it, take a paperclip or a similar thin tool. Gently insert it into the hole and press and hold the button for a few seconds. This will fully reset the device at a hardware level. The third method uses software. Connect your controller to an Xbox or a Windows PC using a USB cable. Once connected, open the Control Center 2 application by Turtle Beach. Inside the app, you can manage settings, update firmware, or restore the controller to default configurations. Thanks for watching.